Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Will Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we have a theme. This week's theme is Maker's Choice. So whatever you got for Christmas, you can go ahead and use it, and use our hashtag Two Crafters One Design. Next week's theme will go across the screen somewhere, or it will be linked down below. We also enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. All right, so this week I thought I would use the Impression Obsession die that I recently picked up, and their store now is closed, so you won't be able to pick this up. But anyways, I used this, and this card was inspired by one of their cards on their blog. And then I also used this Tim Holtz Alterations embossing folder, and I don't know what it's called, maybe brick, I'm not sure. My Creative Time, I am using, I want to say this die and this die from there, and that was called the 3.75 by 4.75 add-ons. You can use my code MOE if you'd like to get 10% off your total purchase, or 15% off on release weekends. I am also using her circle postage dies, and I'm using this one right here along with one of the circles to go with that. And then from her holiday envelope, I'm using Surprise, and I believe that's it. And here goes this cute little card that I created using all of those products, and I love how it turned out. Let me bring it up a little bit more close. And so I did put some iridescent spray on the brick embossing folder. I don't know for sure if you can see it, but it's there. I also added some paint splatter on there, and then there goes that Surprise and the little balloons, and I got a little dango up there, or not a dango, but a little string up there. And yeah, and then those are the layering dies from My Creative Time. Yes, and I love how that turned out. It's super cute. I did not finish the inside of the card, but I will. But that's my submission this week for hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as hashtag Satmore Makes. If you have the time, make sure you enter into these challenges. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day, and I'm happy to be back. All right, have a great one. Bye.